My name is Vitor Carvalho and I've been a graphic design tutor since 2015. I worked in many courses until 2019, when I decided to focus solely on private lessons, allowing me to better tailor my teaching to each student. I'm Brazilian and I became the top 1 Photoshop tutor on our largest private lessons website, providing private lessons to Brazilians all around the world. I received recommendations from English-speaking students, realizing my ability to teach in a second language. I became a bilingual instructor in Photoshop, Premiere, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Adobe Firefly, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. The lessons are made to your specific needs, creating a personalized course, so you don't have to go through a lengthy program that doesn't really focus on what you need. I will guide you step by step through all you need to learn to do all your tasks. Don't waste any time. Schedule your free trial lesson.